Hello friends, a warm welcome to you. Now let's explore all the super exciting features of Jio Fiber set-top box. Compared to DTH or cable TV, Jio Fiber is sheer viewing pleasure. With Jio Fiber, you can see your favorite show and all its seasons with the freedom to watch what you want and when you want to watch it. You will also get a smart remote with this Jio Fiber set-top box, which you can easily use to control your TV. Moreover, you can pause or play even on live TV. Suppose you're watching Big Boss on Colors TV channel. The show is at a critical juncture and that's when someone comes to your home, rings the bell. With Jio Fiber, it is easy. Just pause, go, meet the person, come back and watch from that point onwards. Jio Fiber also makes it easy to access your favorite channel. You can simply voice search.
Here is what I have got for Bhagya Lakshmi.
Or you can find the channel using the channel guide like you do it on cable TV. Or you can just type the channel number and watch it. With your Jio Fiber connection along with these TV channels, you will also get more than 14 OTT subscriptions. OTT subscriptions include popular apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus Hotstar, Voot, Sony Live, ZEE5, Sun Next, and many more. This means now you can watch the latest shows and movies before they premiere on TV or in cinemas. And that too in your preferred local language. And you can watch all of this in the comfort of your homes in HD quality and with digital surround sound. Jio Fiber also lets you enjoy YouTube on your big TV screen. So keep watching kids videos, cooking videos or music videos endlessly with unlimited internet data, great picture quality and no buffering.